Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you look at this chart, what kind of chart pattern have you seen? Let me know in the comment section. In this video, I am going to explain what kind of pattern I had seen, where we can enter into this script and where we can place the stop loss and what are the targets. This is my own view. This video is only for educational purpose. In case if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you cannot miss any of my upcoming videos. The name of the stock which we are going to analyzing is UCO Bank. If you look at the chart on a daily time frame, here I am seeing that the stock has broken the trend line and it has retested the broken level. And also if we zoom in the chart, here we can see that the stock has given a good green candle at the retesting level. If we look at the volumes are huge during this breakout level, so we can expect huge rally in this stock. If we zoom out the chart, we can see that the stock has been in consolidation for more than 2 years, 1055 days. After consolidation for more than 2 years, finally the stock has broken the resistance with huge volume also. As per my analysis, I think this stock has huge potential to give good returns in a short to medium term. The stop loss can be placed near 11.45. If weekly close is below 11.45, I will exit this trade. I am considering this stock is for 4 to 5 months. My target for this stock is this level, which is around 22. If we had taken entry at the current market price, we can have a risk reward of around 2.01. My target is 45% from the current level. If this target is achieved in 1 year also, it's very good for me. Currently, all the banking stocks are performing well, so I am bullish on this stock. If we look at the fundamentals on a money control side, they are suggesting this stock is a strong performer. MC technicals indicate this stock is very bullish now. The 52-week high of this stock is around 15.90. The 52-week low is 10.55. If we look at the shareholding pattern, promoters have a huge holdings of around 95.39%. Mutual fund have also increased their holding during this September quarter. Institution investors also have increased their holdings from 1.33% to 1.37%. All the foreign institutions have increased their holding. They are very bullish on this stock. This stock has seen a 4 large number of deals today. This stock is 43% away from 52-week low. It is only 5% away from 52-week high. If we look at the price performance, this stock has delivered 13.16% in the last 3 years and it has delivered around 28% in the last 3 months. In the past 1 month, it has given a returns of around 29%. This indicates that this stock is very bullish right now. Personally, I am also taken entry in this stock. If anybody have gained profits from my previous videos, please let me know in the comment section. If you want me to analyze any of the stock, please let me know. If you like my analysis, please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you. Let's catch up in another video.